Hi there, welcome to BotBee. Today's tutorial on how to create a carousel media template in BotBee. This template is perfect for showcasing various types of media in a single message with different URLs and quick reply options. Let's get started. First, go to BotBee dashboard. In left side menu, select Bot Manager and then select Message Template. In Create option, select Carousel Media Template. Give a name for template. And then select Template Category as Marketing. In the Message Bubble section, I'll add my message for instance. Here you can also add custom fields and variables if you need in your message bubble. Next, select card header, image or video as per your need. In card body, let's add the product name. You can see there are two types of button options for each card. If you click here, you can choose between URL and quick reply in the card body. Now for our first button type, let's add a URL. I'll write "Buy Now," and in the action value, I will add a random URL. Now for the second button, I'll set a quick reply, and in the button text I'll write "Contact us." Let's add another card body. Well, here I'd like to mention that you can continue adding cards up to 10 in total. Just remember the button types must match across all the cards. For each card, maintain the same button type order as in the first card. As you can see, I have added one URL and one quick reply, so I need to do the same for the other cards as well. Now let's continue adding. Let's save the message template. As you can see, it's saved successfully. As you can see, the media template that I just created here is approved now. Let's create a bot. Go to Bot Reply and click Create. Here in this Start Bot flow, add your keyword and the title, and then click Save. I'll drag and drop the template message option. Here let's search for my message template that I just approved. This is the template that I just created, and since I added to cards there, I have two cards available here to add my product now. I will upload the images. Let's go to WhatsApp and test the bot if it's working perfectly. As you can see, the bot has sent the carousel images with the buttons, and let's click the link button, and as you can see, it redirected me to the website of which I added the URL. Now same way you can add carousel product template for your WhatsApp catalog. In Create option, select Carousel Product Template, and then give a name for template. Then select how many product you want to show in Carousel. That's it. Then save the template and use it. We have successfully created the Carousel video template. As we wrap up, do not forget to leave a comment and keep watching our videos to see more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching the video.